Alright guys, I got an LG TV right here. Had a every time I plugged in an HDMI, it didn't matter where it was, I got fuzzy. I went to both channels, still was fuzzy. With your little, it was not basically having a signal whatsoever. So I ordered a part on eBay. They usually have some parts that are like cracked screens. They get all the motherboards out of them. They test to make sure that they're all good, and they sell them. Real simple. So I took the cover off right here. I used you know uh, screwdriver, and they have some clips on here that you got to kind of slowly maneuver so they don't bust on them. But you'll be able to take this whole thing off, and this is really simplest process I've seen so far. So this thing has a little clip. You can just pull it up, take it out. This one right here, you just push it in, take that out. This one right here, push it in, take this one out. This one right here, you push this down, push that down, and you remove that. Boom, you got all that. You unscrew these screws. There's only a couple screws here. Make sure you take and swap that one. Not swap it, but change it out, because you want to keep this. And here's the old one. So I already hit and swapped it already, and I tested it, and it works fine now. Both HDMI cables, ports, everything is just working perfect on this one now. That one right there is bad. So that's the video. Really simple. You could do it yourself. Try troubleshoot it, diagnose it. If your HDMI don't work, just swap the motherboard out and you're done. Simple as that. Alright, thanks for watching. If you like what I showed you, put a like on my video, and follow me. I'll give you some more info. Thanks.